Welcome back, everybody. So better late than never. It is our giveaway video time. So, I usually like to do these videos at the beginning of the month along with my patron shout out, but time just got a little away from me this month. But here we are, and it is time to give away some cool stuff, or at least a cool thing. So stay tuned for that. But first, I did want to give a special shout out, as I always do every month, to my wonderful patrons out there. If you're not familiar with Patreon, it's a way that you can show your appreciation to your favorite YouTubers, and I will put a link to my Patreon page below if you are interested in helping support the channel. Most of that money goes back into these giveaways and helping just with the general administrative costs of running our YouTube channel. But enough about that. Let's just go ahead and give that thank you right now to those wonderful 14 of you out there this month. That includes Allison Waldron, Annie Jones, Spooky Bev, Craig Thomas, Carrie Thomas, Carla Perea, Gareth Frewer, Prince Alarming 85, Rose Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Stephen Miles, Stephanie Schrutek, and Teara. So thank you all again for your support. I really do appreciate it. It helps out a lot. And thank you all out there, even if you're not a patron, for watching, supporting the channel, liking, commenting, and sharing the videos. It all helps, and I greatly appreciate it. But one other thing I like to do is if you have a YouTube channel and you're a patron, I'm going to show off your channel. So let's go ahead and take a look and see. I only have 3 patrons with YouTube channels, but let's see what they're up to. First up here, we have Spooky Bev, and Spooky Bev has 99 subscribers. She is so close to hitting that fabulous 3-digit number, so someone out there, please subscribe to her. She has wonderful content, but unfortunately, she hasn't updated in a while. Spooky Bev, you told me you were going to show me what you did for Halloween. We need to see some fun videos, so hopefully we will soon, but Spooky Bev does have some great content otherwise. Lots of fun Halloween videos for you to check out. And if you're not, if you're past Halloween, unfortunately, that makes me sad. But if you're into the whole Christmas thing, Gareth from Create at Home with G, who's now, it looks like, combined his channel, because he had 2 channels, Create at Home with Elf Creations and Create at Home with G. But I think they have the same content now. I hope I'm not saying that wrong, Gareth. Don't kill me if I'm incorrect, but it looks like they do. And they're combined. So he does wonderful videos, crafting, and it's just so much content. I mean, look, just 2 days ago, 1 day ago, but maybe that's because some of it was transferring from his other channel. I don't know, but lots of content if you're into crafting, creating cards and ornaments, not just for Christmas really, but for, every season. He just does so many. I don't think it tells us how many videos he's put out here. Let's check. I don't know where to check that anymore. But he's got a whole lot of videos. So check him out. You can watch some of them, watch all of them. It's worth a glance. All right, Annie Jones has also got some fun content up. She does crafting DIY videos as well. Lots and lots of Christmas stuff. Here I am still dwelling on Halloween, but some of you out there have moved on. And Annie Jones is one of them. So she's got lots of Christmas at the Deering Estate and Victorian decor and, just looking around, some more vintagey stuff. Office, door, Christmas tree. I haven't watched this video yet, but I should do that because I need some festive stuff around my office. So thank you once again to all of my wonderful patrons. But as I keep promising, it is time for our giveaway. So I like doing those boxes full of all the junk, all the wonderful treasures that I find on my Goodwill hauls. But oddly enough, I don't have a box to send it out this month. Usually I do all of my holiday shopping on Amazon. So I do all my shopping on Amazon in general, so I usually have a pile of boxes to get rid of every week. But I've been buying most things in stores this year, so shame on me, but I don't have boxes. So I did have one box I noticed in the corner still sitting over there from when I did a product review. So I'm going to do a 1 product giveaway, but I think you're going to like it. It is. Oh, this living projection. Now, Jemmy gave this to me to demonstrate for you this last season, and it was pretty awesome. I just didn't have a place for it in my haunt this year, but I'm sure one of you out there will love this. So, you know, it's pretty awesome. It comes with this giant inflatable. Does it say how long, how tall it is? It's 8.5 feet tall. It's pretty wide. It comes with a projector. You don't have to use the projector just for this prop. You can use it for other things too, so that's pretty cool. It does have 5 scenes with 4 transitions. Again, you can use it year round. So make sure you check out my other video if you want to see that in motion. But otherwise, you can win this by entering our giveaway this month. Again, it's pretty late, so we're not going to do this giveaway until December 30th, and that's a Monday. We're going to do it at 9 p.m. Eastern, and then we're going to roll right into the new year and do another giveaway, hopefully toward the beginning of the year. So who knows what you'll get. Maybe it'll be another one of those boxes of treasures. But I think this will be fun. And I have a box to ship it in, so it can't be better than that. I think this retailed for like $250. So it was a bargain. But if you really like paid attention to the after Halloween sales, some people were telling me how cheaply they got some of these and bought several of them. But if you missed out on the wonderful sale and you don't want to spend $250 for a new one, here's your chance. You just have to enter by leaving me a comment below. You have to answer a question, which I always forget to think of these things in advance. Do you have inflatables in your Halloween haunt? And if so, what's your favorite one? And if you don't do it for Halloween, but you do it for Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate, that can count too. You could put this guy out for Christmas too. He could be like the ghost of Christmas future. And I don't know, do something fun with it. Now, I am going to limit this. I tend not to like to limit my giveaways, but I'm going to limit it to the US because this thing is going to be expensive to ship. So I'm afraid if you win, you can still enter if you're overseas, but I'm going to see if it is just outrageous to send it somewhere overseas, which I'm assuming it will be, so I'll reserve the right to substitute something else fun and exciting that I can probably drop ship from Amazon or wherever right to you if you win. So don't let that be a factor. If you're overseas, you can still enter. But that'll do it. So you want to make sure you're entered by noon on the 30th. Afternoon, you know, a lot of people try and wait until like right before the giveaway to enter, and at that point I've already got all my cards done. Oh, I didn't even tell you how we do it. If you've joined my giveaways in the past, you're very familiar with this. We're going to take out a clue board. I'm going to assign everyone who entered a clue card, distribute you around the clue board, and we are going to do a live chat on my video, and we're going to eliminate everyone on the clue board one at a time until we have one person left standing, and that person's going to win. So that's how you do it. Couldn't be easier. And we can start the year off giving away some free stuff. Well, you'll get it in the new year. It'll still be 2019 for me. Anyway, that'll do it, I guess, for this video. Stay tuned for more. I'm still trying to do Halloween throughout the year. We'll find some fun stuff to do. Got to get to my DIY crafting. I've already got some fun things to try, but I'm kind of in the mood to make some food products. But, so stay tuned. We'll do that together. Till then, take care and happy hunting.
Witches flying in the pale moonlight, skeletons dancing, quite frightful. Ghouls and goblins stalk the night on All Hallows Eve. Jack-o'-lanterns give an eerie glow, werewolves howling, zombies moaning. Such a spooky, scary show on All Hallows Eve. Monsters marching up and down the street. This is the night of tricks and treats. So much candy we will eat on All Hallows Eve. Witches flying in the pale moonlight, skeletons dancing, quite frightful. Ghouls and goblins stalk the night on All Hallows Eve. Jack-o'-lanterns give an eerie glow, werewolves howling, zombies moaning. Such a spooky, scary show on All Hallows Eve. Monsters marching up and down the street. This is the night of tricks and treats. much candy we will eat on